everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, what are we on? Tesla 4-hour. Why don't we start again with the daily? I was just looking at the 4-hour. I already updated the retracement levels, the GAN retracement levels. And you can see here today's high, 594.50, GAN level 596.07, so we'll be using the 596.07. See, nice gap down, closing just off the lows. Getting to our next cluster area, this 570 area that we had. Not quite yet to 522, but let me jump out to the week and show you pretty much where it stopped. Remember, we've talked about returning to the bottom of the rotation zone, essentially there. So that's complete. Right now, the bottom of the rotation zone is about about 538. If we close the week below 538, we'll have violated the weekly rotation zone, and we'll expect it to keep going lower. Let's jump back to the 4-hour though first. So 4-hour. The market's getting very, very oversold. Would not be surprised at some point to see a very big rally in the market. I'm not saying long term. I'm saying a 1 to 2 day rally, a rip your face off rally as we call them, which generally happen during these bear markets where you just see a major rally. People think the worst is over. And so if we do get that kind of rally, we'll be watching today's high. This is the 596 level. If we get above 596, resistance coming in at about 611 where the 4-hour rotation zone is. And then above 611, we'd start watching for the gap fill, which would be all the way to about 633. Above the gap fill, 645, we have the flat 50, the declining 8, so the declining rotation zone, and the 25% retracement level. So that is major, major resistance. On any Tesla rally, 645 to 650 is the major area of resistance. And remember, we're in bearish mode on the 4-hour, bearish mode on the daily, neutral on the weekly at this point with a touch of the bottom of the rotation zone. That doesn't mean we can't rally. You know, many times you do rally from these deep oversold conditions, but it just means that it's setting up for another potential sale. Just as when we're in bullish mode, pullbacks to the rotation zone are potential buys. Back to the weekly. So you see here, this is just keeping the bigger picture in mind, because if we do continue to drop, which for Tesla's sake we probably will longer term, especially after Q1 deliveries and earnings are released, the longer term areas we'll be watching for is even down around this 420. There you go, the 420 level again. That's where the 50-week exponential moving average is. So that's what we're going to continue to watch for longer term. So we have a few on Tesla, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.